Everyone, in today's video we will fix ASUS monitor HDR grayed out, enable HDR input, fix setting lock and setup guide. The fix one, you can enable the HDR in Windows setting. Right click on your desktop and click display setting. Scroll down and click HDR or Windows HD color. Turn on use HDR and restart your computer and check your monitor again. Fix 2, you can check monitor OSD setting. Press the menu button on your ASUS monitor. Then go to image or display setting and find the HDR and make sure it's set to on or auto. After that, exit the menu and check if HDR is working. The fix 3, you can use the HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort cable. So the step 1, you can make sure you are using a HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cable or DisplayPort 1.4 cable. Then avoid old HDMI cable like HDMI 1.4. Then after, you can plug the cable directly into your graphics card, not the motherboard, and then restart your PC. Now we move to our final fix. Set correct resolution and refresh rate. Open display setting, click advanced display and set the resolution to the monitor native resolution like 1920 or 1080 or 2560 and 1440. And then lower the refresh rate, for example 165 Hz, 120 Hz, and check the HDR again. Goodbye.